In this program, we're going to learn about physics. Physics is the science that deals with the motion of matter, energy, and force. The word physics comes from the Greek word physis, which means nature. Physics was initially described as a study of the workings of nature. To be more precise, physics is the study that attempts to understand how the universe behaves. Originally, physics took elements of astronomy, optics, and mechanics and used them to define the processes at work in the universe. Physics has been used to study things as small as the atom. Physicists also research phenomena as grand as supernovas and as mysterious as black holes. In the 17th century, Galileo Galilei observed the universe to understand the motions of the sun, Earth, Moon, as well as the other planets. With his observations of objects in motion, Galileo is the person responsible for laying the foundations for physics. As a result of his findings, Galileo is known as the father of science. Galileo began experimenting with swinging pendulums. By measuring the arc of each swing and clocking the time, Galileo had begun to realize that there were invisible forces at work in the world that govern the way everything works. Physics became a new way of understanding how and why the universe works the way that it does. Throughout the centuries, it has led to countless technological advancements, and it continues to be the source of our ever-growing knowledge. Physics was our key to unlocking the endless secrets of the universe, and it remains our hope to unraveling the many mysteries that still remain. Now that you better understand physics, think about this. How can physics help explain phenomenon we cannot see? Think about it.